Hello friends, here I am to share awesome option for less oil cooking. We use peanuts in many dishes. If you notice, it's the first ingredient we add to salt in oil. Thus peanuts eat up most of the oil. Dry roasted peanuts in air fryer or pan is ultimate way to keep breakfast and chutneys less oily. What I do is I add dry roasted peanuts before serving so that I can cook with less oil in breakfast like lemon rice, upma, poha, semia upma, chivda, etc. Plus peanuts will be crunchy. And in chutneys like peanut chutney, vegetable chutneys, etc. So here is my tip. If you want to reduce the peanuts quantity, break them into half. It feels like more in number. Try to eat them with skin, as skin is rich in antioxidants and adds fiber. Let's get started with air frying in oven and basket types. First let's see oven type air fryer. Add around 1 cup peanuts in air fryer tray. Spread evenly. Insert the tray in middle rack of the air fryer. Air fry at 360 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. It runs for 6 minutes with 4 minutes of preheating time. Tossing halfway is better for roasting evenly. After timer is done, take the peanuts out. You can also air fry at 350 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. Leave peanuts for 2 minutes in hot air fryer at the end. Comparatively, air frying is easy, as no need to monitor much. At the same time, we can focus on cooking other items too. Plus, peanuts get roasted evenly. I always keep a cup of air fried peanuts ready in my pantry to use as needed. Let's see basket model. Add 1 cup of peanuts in air fryer basket. Air fry at 370 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes first. Place peanuts underneath the mesh to avoid peel flying around. Air fry again at 370 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes or little longer. As you see, peanuts are roasted well. Let's see dry roasting in pan. Heat the pan. Add 1 cup of peanuts. Keep mixing in the middle on medium flame. Dry roast until brown color. Roasted peanuts are ready to serve. Hope you like my ideas. See you again with many more healthy recipes and options. Thank you for watching.